Today, let's dig the fish pond first.
I'll clear the ground and bring the stones.
Pond on the left, crocodile in the middle. Dig another meter, Milo. Got it! Welcome to your new home, little fish. Step 1 complete. Fish pond!
It's looking at me.
It's just saying hello to you. Does it really like me?
You look like a giant huggable pillow.
The wild farm is officially complete.
We will take good care of them.
The water is clear and stable. The fish will get healthy quickly.
I'll watch over them constantly. The water level is perfect now.
Note, depth meets standards.
The frame is as strong as dragon steel.
Exactly. The tiger will love it.
Visitors won't get lost anymore.
Doesn't this sign look cool?
These pebbles make the pond much prettier.
The fish are swimming evenly. That's good. Clear warnings for safety.
Crocodiles need a spot to sunbathe too.
The more natural the environment, the better.
The tiger cub will love it.
The horn is working.
Good. Safety system ready. It's really fun to do so much work.
Exactly. The farm is getting more wonderful. Next, we'll expand it even further. The water level is stable.
Good. The fish pond is very healthy. The new valve works so smoothly.
The moat is completely up to standard.
These stumps are for the tigers to sharpen their claws. The enclosure is as strong as a fortress. It will be fully lit at night.
The farm is getting more professional.
Every day.
The fish are eating heartily.
That's a very good sign. The sensor helps with easier control.
The crocodiles will love this raft.
It runs so fast, doesn't it? Excellent reflexes. The information is clear now.
Guests will understand right away.
The pond size meets standards. Doing it right from the start is best.
The aerator is strong and consistent.
The environment is very suitable.
This will make it sleep more comfortably. The camera angle is perfect here.
The alarm is really loud. Safety is ensured. We're reorganizing the storage room.
Let's go, full of energy.
The clean storage room looks great.
Management will be much easier. What a productive day.
It feels so proud.
Let's keep expanding tomorrow.
Water oxygen is very stable.
Good. Fish will be healthier.
This raft is sturdy now.
The wide-angle camera view is beautiful. It's sleeping better now.
The enclosure conditions are ideal. Today, we're improving the habitat.
Ready when you are.
This plant makes the pond more natural.
The fish seem to really like it. The pH is perfectly suitable.
The fence is still very strong. It loves looking in the mirror.
So adorable.
The excavator runs smoothly again.
Just like new. The fish react very quickly.
Excellent sign! The raft is sturdy. It won't capsize.
The environment is very balanced.
The brightness is perfect now.
The tiger cub can sunbathe freely. This sign looks more professional.
Visitors won't get lost.
This sensor monitors automatically.
So convenient. It turns its head as soon as it hears the sound.
The system is working well.
Another wonderful day.
The farm is becoming more complete.
Tomorrow we'll continue to develop it. The depth is still perfect.
Great! The system is very stable.
This raft is much more durable.
The temperature is perfect for the crocodiles. It's very healthy and active.
So the enclosure suits it.
This area will be the research zone.
Great! More work to do.
Oxy is flowing strongly. The fish will swim vigorously.
The valve operates smoothly.
The water level is very precise.
It eats so heartily.
Its nutrition is very good. The entire system is running stably.
Great! Ready for any situation. Keeping the pond clean and beautiful.
The fish are swimming so uniformly. It reacts very quickly.
That's a good sign. It's growing so fast. Excellent health.
Does this sign look good?
Perfect!
The fish are developing very well.
The data is absolutely perfect. The camera is clean, very clear now.
The collected data is more accurate.
Today brought great progress.
The farm is almost perfect.
Tomorrow we'll continue.
The fish are eating heartily so early.
The water clarity is ideal.
The pump runs as smoothly as music.
The crocodiles will love this warm water.
It ate everything.
The tiger cub is incredibly strong. We're expanding in this direction, right?
That's perfectly logical.
The fish are growing very evenly.
That's fantastic. The fence is absolutely solid.
The wind conditions are perfect. It really loves to run.
True athlete style.
Everything is running well now.
The report is complete.
This sensor is very sensitive.
The chart is beautiful.
The alarm sound is clear and resonant.
It turned its head incredibly fast.
The tiger cub will sleep soundly.
The camera has a comprehensive view.
This location is very suitable.
I dig very fast.
The pond has optimal cleanliness.
It operates so smoothly.
The raft is as hard as a rock.
The conditions are ideal. We got so much done today.
The farm is looking beautiful.
Tomorrow we'll continue our progress. The readings are beautiful today. Great! The fish will be energetic.
The fence wire is still as sturdy as new.
The pH is always perfect. It's drinking so much.
A sign of good health.
This area is suitable for planting trees.
I'll level it right away.
The fish are swimming so fast.
Their health is at a high level. The wind is very gentle today.
The alligators will love it.
It's gotten chubby.
Extremely healthy. Everything is running smoothly.
Absolutely safe now.
The growth rate is so beautiful.
The sensor is reporting accurately.
It reacts so quickly.
Perfectly safe now.
It likes this soft sound.
It helps it relax really well. This path makes a lot of sense.
It's so cool walking this way. It's truly a joyful sight.
The fish are so active.
The humidity is just right.
The alligators will be more comfortable. Another day of great progress.
The farm gets more beautiful every hour.
Let's finish the rest tomorrow. The temperature this morning is ideal.
This pond is perfectly set up. This area is incredibly clean and beautiful.
All indices are stable.
It really loves me now.
You can tell just by looking. All areas are operating perfectly.
The farm is perfectly set up. This picture is so beautiful.
The fish are absolutely healthy.
It's eating so heartily. This area is complete, right?
The tiger cub is relaxing very well. Seeing it sleep makes me happy.
The entire system is operating stably.
The farm meets complete standards. We did it!
The most beautiful farm in the forest.
The wild farm is officially 100% complete.
What an amazing journey!
Let's take care of it every day.